We're here on LSU's campus amongst this beautiful sea of purple flowers, or let's say the Nile of purple flowers. These are called lily of the Nile, or they're also known as agapanthus. These are a beautiful herbaceous, evergreen, perennial that does great in the landscape. You can see here we're under a live oak tree, got some shade, and they are just performing wonderfully. They have these great strappy leaves that add some texture to the landscape. And if you can see this little guy buzzing around, we've got bees, and the butterflies also love agapanthus. This is just a great performer for the landscape and will provide beautiful flowers starting this time of year, end of spring, going into the summer, and they will just continue to flourish and grow. You can divide these tuberous roots up right after winter and share them with a neighbor, or you can try after they've flowered, they set seed. You can actually try and propagate the plant from seeds. Just a very vigorous, very good looking herbaceous perennial that'll bloom every late spring into the summer, year after year, a great performer for the landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.